Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. And yes, we're still in this situation right here, but I have my hair done and my nails done. You're like, Kayla, where have you been? I caught strep throat. Also, my package got stolen, and it's like a whole fucking journey just to get my money back, and just to see who fucking stole it, just to like report the shit. It's a whole process just to do a police report. It's like crazy. Um, my friend tried to commit suicide in front of me. That bring me down into a depression hole. It's like a whole bunch of stuff that's been going on my birthday week. That's just so negative. Like, it's so much negativity, and I'm just like, let me just do something positive right now, even though I already saw what's in one of the boxes, and I know that's not positive. But to be honest, let's just say it, Boxy Charm strikes again. It's an Ipsy video, but Boxy Charm strikes again on my birthday month. They never hit it on my birthday month, but it is what it is. But this is Ipsy. I got my Ipsy in the mail the same day I got my Boxy Charm. So let's go to open this and everything else. This is my Ipsy Glam bag. I have not got my Ipsy Glam bag Plus. Ipsy Glam bag is $12 a month plus tax. So it's like around $13 to $14. You get 5 sample size products. Sometimes you get a full size product in there, but it's just a testing thing. You get a different makeup bag each month. This is the makeup bag for the month. This is Stay Golden. It has like a little, ooh, this is like a coin type of thing. It has like a nice sun emblem, and then it has Ipsy on the back. I actually could use this bag. I'm down for this. But yeah. So I really like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because paying $12 for samples for you to try out products that you might have never tried out before. They really hit it with the regular Ipsy Glam Bag. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, sometimes they don't hit it. You also get to choose one product, so you know one product in here every single month. So it's a boom bam boom. You already know it's a good deal for me. That's what I be saying. It's a good deal for me. All right, I already took out the first product, and it's my choice product. I need another eyeliner, so yeah. It says Stay Golden, and then it says next month in August, introducing Glam Bag X Halsey, Glam Bag X. So yeah, this right here is my choice product. This is Kokie Cosmetics Precise Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. This is full size and retails for $6. You're supposed to have, I think, $50, more than $50 worth of product. It's supposed to say this on the card. Yep, it says, here comes the fun. You have 5 new Glam Bag products valued at $50 or more, are ready to light up your routine. That's what it says. Okay, for this it says, calling all cat eye newbies. This liquid liner is here to help you create the perfect line every single time. Made with ultra saturated jet black pigments, that firm felt tip. This baby won't skip, tug, or smear. I definitely want to try this out. You guys know I love Kokie products. If you haven't noticed, I love Kokie products. I love their blush. I think that's the one that I really love from them. No, I use that highlight, but it's supposed to be eyeshadow. I also like the cream highlight. Yeah, I like the cream highlight. There's not a lot of stuff that's dark skin friendly, and the thing that I got from the mystery box, the eyeshadow palette, it wasn't hitting my thing. I like the formula, but it wasn't hitting my color scheme, so the way I want it. So yeah, I can't wait to play with this. It's waterproof. I love waterproof stuff. So yeah, that was my choice item. So either way, I would be happy. That's $6 in the bag. The next item that I'm pulling out is this. This is, yes, SPF. It's hot AF in New York City. It's really hot. It's like a heat wave. Like, that's the reason why I'm wearing like this dress. This is like a little tiny dress that I have on. Like, literally, it's hot. It's hot. Like, everybody has their ACs on. My AC is off because obviously I'm filming. But like, oh my gosh, Oh my gosh, hot. So SPF, anything with SPF, and it's SPF 50. SPF 50. Okay, what is this? It says Papa Recipe Bomb B Moist Sun Essence. Oh, this is an essence. Proof that applying and reapplying skin cream doesn't have to feel like a chore. This innovative SPF 50 is lightweight, fast absorbing, and leave behind no sticky, greasy residue. Yes, plus this fragrance-free formula is safe for all skin types. This is the last step in your morning skincare routine. I can't wait to try this out. I already did my skincare routine, so this baby right here, this baby right here is going to be tried out tomorrow. It's going to be tried out tomorrow, tomorrow. And I will fucking love it. I will love it. I will cherish it. It is a done deal. SPF, SPF. And this is a sample size. This is a deluxe sample. This product is 50 milliliters and full size at $20. And this is, does it say how many milliliters it is? I don't think it does. Not for sale. Papa Recipe doesn't say the milliliters. If I could figure out how much milliliters this is and how much it is, then I will put it down below in the description box. Always check the description box because that's where all the good stuff is in the description box. Go check it out. Go check it out. Go check it out. I know I haven't been putting stuff in the description box. Again, haven't been feeling well all through the week. Strep throat. I'm just getting my voice back. My throat was like really swollen. Like it just came down. Like everything is hidden. And then my pee is coming on my birthday. Yay. I'm not happy about that, but you know, it is what it is. My birthday month is always a curse month. I thought it was gonna be different this year, but it's not. It's not different. It's not different. I got eyeshadow. First time in a long time that I got eyeshadow in an Ipsy Glam bag, like regular. This is from Araceli. Ooh, I like the design on this. You could see it. It's like a little design. I like it. Okay, you got copper and chocolate. Ooh. 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 I just got a copper shade. I put it on my Macari. If you don't know what my Macari is, what I'm selling is down below in the description box. Go check it out because I still have some stuff on my Macari that needs to be sold. And I sell it for cheap, so go check it out. But yeah, so I kind of want to put this on. I'm gonna wait for a different video to put this on, but should I? No, I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it now. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm not gonna do it now, but this is really cute. I gotta swatch it though. I gotta swatch it because I am gonna be using it. It's a duo, and I do use duos. Oh. Oh. Oh, you cannot see it. The matte, because it blends into my skin. Like it literally blends into my skin like it's like little ash. But that copper is like it's hitting out of the park. It's hitting out of the park. Okay. I am not mad with 3 of the products. Like crazy. Okay. It says deluxe sample, full version, 6.6 grams, $30. What type of grams is this? Oh, there it goes. It says 1.0 grams. So it's 1.0 grams. That's $5. This is $5. This is $5. Cool. So all together, I got so far, I got $11. Not mad at it. I basically just paid for the bag with those two products. This product, again, do not know how much this is. If I can figure it out, it will be down below in the description box. Okay, the next product is, oh yes, I fucking love masks. I love masks, and especially wash on masks that I could do in the morning in the bathroom. Just love. This is the retinol, so it would be nighttime. But oh my gosh, this is the retinol detox mask, high potency 3, formula with natural preserved ingredients. This has 8 ounces, 20 milliliters. This right here has, the fro version is 60 grams. Why it says grams and it says ounces here? Why would you do that to me? Now I gotta do the whole conversion. The original $35. Don't like you. This says up your DIY facial game with this potent facial mask. It has a combo of max strength retinol power plant-based ingredients to work together to detox pores, soften fine lines, wrinkles, and improve skin tones, and gives you a radiant glow. I am down for this right here. I am down for this. I am down to try this. You guys know I do my mask try on Mondays. I haven't done it in a really long time, but I have filmed mask try on Mondays. Haven't posted them. Again, have been sick. Have been going through it. And also, they want me out of this apartment. They just like made appointments for me to actually go see other apartments so I can take all my stuff out and then, you know, move into there. So, yeah. What is this? Directions: smooth over clean skin, avoid eye area, leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, I love a 10 to 15 minute one, not like a 20 30 minutes. Ugh, that's a long time. And relax position to let dry, remove a damp washcloth. Oh, okay. It doesn't say, it says clean skin. It doesn't say if it's dry or wet, so I want to know if there's a difference. I'm down to try this. Again, I don't know if my bag is $50, but we're gonna figure out. The last product is another deluxe sample. This is a high shine gloss. Okay. Glossy. This is in glass. This has, is that say 0.35 ounces, and see, they say ounces and they say milliliters here. Do not like that. It says 15 milliliters here, and it says the full size is $24. This lightweight, hydrating, this multi-purpose face gloss is essential for getting on the glow over trend. This cushion gel like formula is totally clear and is infused with a lightweight reflecting mica. Important, the perfect amount of shimmer and shine. Cool. Well, I don't really like highlighters, but it says all over the face, so I could wear it as a gloss. I'm just gonna open it up and see what this baby is looking like. Oh, it's like Vaseline. That's what it is. It's just Vaseline. It smells a little bit like Vaseline too. It's just Vaseline. It's just a gloss. It's a gloss. I will wear it on my lips. It's a gloss. Anyways, that's it for my Ipsy Glam bag. I got a gloss that I could put in my bag, so I'm not mad about it. I got a retinol mask. Again, I'm not mad about it. I do match around mothers. I love new masks, especially stuff that I could travel with. Like just put in my purse and go. And then I got an SPF. Not mad at this. Again, if it doesn't make me ashy, I'm not mad. I got eyeshadow for her first time in a long time. I got eyeshadow last month, but I'm talking about a duo. Like, I got actually a good thing. And then I got my choice item when which I'm happy about. Like, and the bag is cute this month. Like, Ipsy came through for my birthday. I like every single product. I don't know if it's the value I'm supposed to be getting. Again, if you want to know, it will be down below in the description box. Go check the description box. But Ipsy came through. Ipsy came through. That's all I gotta say is that Ipsy came through. Video right here, head right here. Go check out my other videos if you dare so. Anyways, oh my gosh, I am like so tired.